Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad states that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "Ouch, my head is splitting." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "If it happens during my lifetime, I will invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for your forgiveness and supplicate for you." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, "Alas, what a calamity! By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I think you wish my death, and if it is so happens, you will spend the night with your some other wife." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Rather I will say that my head is splitting. Undoubtedly, I had resolved or intended to send for Abu Bakr and his son and take pledge from them as my successors, so that those who want to pass remarks they may pass, or those who long for it. I then say Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not let it be otherwise, and the Muslims will remove the opposition, or Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will remove the opponents, and the Muslims will not accept anybody else him." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7217.